Hey guys, it's Pretty here. Today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I achieve a flawless skin and how I get rid of my acne, hyperpigmentation and black spots at home. So the first ingredient we are going to be using is brown sugar. You can just use whatever amount of your choice, but today I'm not going for too much brown sugar because I'm just going to be using the quantity in which I really want to use today. Next to the brown sugar, I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of honey. Then I'm going to be mixing this up thoroughly. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding is olive oil. I love using olive oil because it moisturizes your skin and leaves your skin very soft. So after adding the olive oil, I'm going to mix this thoroughly. I added 2 tablespoons of olive oil into this mixture, and also I added 2 tablespoons of water. I think I lost the clip in which I was adding water into this mixture, but please note I added 2 tablespoons of water. And the next ingredient is turmeric. Turmeric is very powerful and it is the base ingredient making this mask. Guys, turmeric is just so wonderful. Turmeric will help to brighten up your skin. I mean, like bringing out the natural glow from your skin. It helps to fight hyperpigmentation and it fades acne scars and also rejuvenate your skin. Turmeric is just so wonderful if you want to gain a very soft skin and you want to get rid of all the hyperpigmentation and to leave your skin glowing, flawless, and beautiful. So this is what the mixture is looking like, and I'm going to be showing you all how I apply this. I'm not going to be using my fingers directly to apply this because this could be very messy and it's going to stain your hands. I would rather prefer to wear gloves. I'm going to be using my face wipe to clean out all the dirt I might have on my face before start applying this. If you do not have a face wipe, you can just wash your face and that's going to be fine. So when you are applying this mixture, make sure to apply on a circular motion. I just go round and be gentle guys because the sugar in it acts as an exfoliator. So you want to really be gentle, but in this video I will try to put the video in a fast mode just to make the video not too boring for you, but note you have to be very gentle when applying these marks. So now let me talk about the benefit of some of these ingredients that I use in these face masks today. So you can see my face wasn't that good and I have been using these face masks and it really helps. So like you just saw, all the hyperpigmentation, they are getting faded. Brown sugar acts as a natural exfoliator. It helps to remove dead cells and also hydrate the skin. It promotes healthy skin cleansing. If you are prone to acne, you can opt for a brown sugar facial to prevent acne and pimples. So 15 minutes later, and this is what my face is looking like. I'm just going to clean out everything. You can just jump directly to your shower and wash everything. But turmeric being very messy, I would really like to clean it up a little before I go with the washing process. So guys, let's move over to honey. Honey helps to moisturize the skin deeply. It is a gentle exfoliator that lightens up scars and black spots. It helps with anti-aging, it adds natural glow to the skin, and it's very useful for sunburn. You can use it to calm sunburn. So to wash my face, I'm going to be using my African black soap, but you can use whatever face wash that you have. So I'm just going to apply it onto my face and try to wash all the turmeric and everything that I have on my face. So I'm going to be using this hand wash that I sacrificed just for this DIY. So I'm just going to be cleaning everything off, then just move over to my sink and wash it off, then follow up with the second wash. So this is the second wash. I just apply the soap onto my palms, then wash it again. Just apply it on my face and wash everything off. Also, I apply it on my lips. It's not harmful. You can also apply it on your lips. Then I'm going to be rinsing this out. I just rinse this out thoroughly, then clean my face. And this is what my face is looking like. Just look at the glow, guys. Everything is looking beautiful. The next step, I'm going to be applying the bubble sheet mask. This is made from a charcoal extract, and when you apply this on your face, you have some bubbles. So guys, you're going to see how this mask works. It's very good. I really love this mask. I really don't know how I'm going to explain this, but you're going to watch very detailedly on the video. When I apply this on my face, after few seconds, you are going to see how this mask is going to bubble up on my face. You're going to see some foam. It's going to be foaming. So I left this mask for 10 minutes, and this is what it's looking like. You have all the foams coming out from this mask. I love this mask. It's so nice. So I'm going to take it off. Just rinse my face with water and without soap. So now guys, my skin is looking very soft, beautiful. I feel like it is rejuvenating. So I'm going to be applying now my moisturizer, my face moisturizer. I'll apply it around my neck area, because whatever treatment you are doing on your face, is good to extend it to your neck area, because you want the skin texture and the color to be unique right up to your neck. So I'm done, and my skin is looking so flawless and glowing. So I'm going to be using my Dior lip balm, just apply it on my lips, and this is how my lips is looking out. Guys, just take a look at how my skin is glowing. It's flawless, right? So this is how beautiful this mask is. I'll urge you all to try it and let me know what you think about this. Let me know if you have tried it, and let me know if you would like to try it. It's so beautiful, and you're going to thank me later. Thank you all for watching, and see you again on my next video.